to St. Ann now, where residents of 4 roads in the Mile End area are upset with their political representatives about a roadway which has been damaged for years. Romardo Lyons reports.
This is a roadway in Mile End, St. Ann. It's not just twisting ankles and puncturing wheels. It's causing arguments.
Because this is slated to be repaired. And it should have started from 3 weeks ago.
Mr. Bell.
Last
We're
year
not going down the political line.
Last year,
That's Ian Bell, councillor for the Beachertown division. By the look of the road, many could assume there was an earthquake.
We are in a state of, I don't even know if you call the word emergency. If emergency happen on the road like now, no taxi can come down here to pick up anybody to take them to the hospital.
It's the main road and therefore frequently used to
go to work, come from work. Some of them work late night on the road with them, and then we don't have no light more than that on the road. So you know, people are about them to them slide and drop and everything.
It's been a bother for a while.
I live here 32 years now, going 34, 33 years, and from I've been living here, it wasn't as bad as this now, but it was bad.
Residents feel neglected.
Why, over the years, I just saw it stay, you know. We come like dog and drunk to the people around here, you know. Nobody cares about us. Every time this gully come down and we have to fix it back. No one now come to help us. All them come and promise it, and nobody now turn up. Are we tired of it?
So every rainfall, the road is like this. No road, no water. Look at the light pole up there in the middle of the road. JPS don't come to fix us. Is that we are forgotten?
Now, after tempers calmed, this was Councillor Bell's admission.
Over the years, this road has been a challenge.
His efforts?
I have taken at least 4 or 5 different superintendents of roads and works, different mayors. I have taken from Ivan Anderson. I have taken from Desmond Gilmore. I have taken Bell Navis.
Mayor of St. Ann, Michael Bell Navis, responds.
We have allocated $3 million to the council to start some remedial work on the road so that we can alleviate the dislocation from the residents. A lot of them have been locked in because the road has become impassable.
However, he says all roads lead back to councillors.
So that cannot be just on a municipal corporation. And also every councillor is given road allocation. So I'm sure he can put $1 million or $2 million from his road allocation onto that same road.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.